In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the BullX to work with the Nova. For that, you have to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and comment under the video. So, uh, I'm gonna provide the BullX link in the description below so you guys can get started with BullX from today. So I have made a very compressed points and steps in order to get the issue fixed. So just follow the video. So these are some steps. All you have to do is to check the compatibility, update Nova and BullX New to the latest version, and generate new API keys in BullX New and add them to Nova. Match Nova setting with the BullX new preferences. Use Nova's test connection feature to verify integration. Clear cache clears Nova cache to avoid conflicts. And then, if nothing works, reinstall Nova and reconfigure if issues still persist. So, let me know if you need more details. And that is done and dusted. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.